Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn about the vowels and their sounds in Spanish. There are 5 vowels in Spanish, A, E, I, O, U, and they have 5 different sounds. A sounds as A. Por ejemplo, casa, amor. Here, listen the sound A carefully. Amigo, vaca. E. E sounds as A. Por ejemplo, cerro, examen, carne, planeta. I. I sounds as E. Por ejemplo, Imagen, Libertad, capital, virus. Now, don't get confused between the sounds of E and I. The sound of E in English is sound of I in Spanish. O. O sounds as O. Por ejemplo, Cosa, Arroz, Error, Botella. U. U sounds as U. Por ejemplo, salud, unidad, urgencia, luz. Let's look at some more words which have 2 vowels together. Puerta, pierna, cuerpo, poema, cielo. The easiest way to learn the sounds of vowels is to break the words into 2 parts. Now, let's recall all the 5 sounds once again so it will be more clear. A, E, O, U. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.